Hi there and welcome to this video on GCSE Biology for the AQA specification, focusing on photosynthesis and in particular on the photosynthetic reaction. I'm Shumina from StudyMind, where we help you revise GCSE Biology with our helpful video tutorials, tailored to your subject, your specification, and to you. If you're new here, make sure you click the subscribe button. Whilst you are watching, please leave any comments below if you're unsure about anything, and let us know if it's your first time watching our videos so we can send you our free revision materials. We also have helpful timestamps below for each part of the video to help guide you through the specification. So let's get started. Hello and welcome to the start of these tutorials on photosynthesis. And in this tutorial we're going to be having a look at the basics of the reaction. So as part of this we're going to have a look at the equation for photosynthesis. And then we're just going to discuss energy transfer in photosynthesis. So first of all, let's have a look at this word equation. So we're going to break it down by having a look at what actually photosynthesis is. So here's our plant. It's receiving light energy from the sun and carbon dioxide from the atmosphere. And it's also receiving water from the soil. So therefore, in the input of our equation, we're going to have water plus carbon dioxide goes to the products. And the reason why we put light here is because light isn't really something that you can add. It's something that contributes to the equation. So we have these two on the left-hand side. We have light that also contributes, and this goes through to form oxygen and glucose, or sugar. So this is your word equation that you have to commit to memory for photosynthesis. Carbon dioxide plus water goes to glucose plus oxygen. And this all happens under the circumstances of light. So light energy is used in this way by plant cells in order to convert carbon dioxide and water into glucose and oxygen. And can you see how that statement basically means the same as this word equation? So really, as long as you understand either the word equation or the statement, you'll be able to form either or. So it's all about your understanding here. And just be careful, so don't confuse this equation with the equation for aerobic respiration, which kind of swaps these components. Just make sure that you know the difference between the word equation for the photosynthesis reaction and that for the aerobic reaction. And this is something that many people get wrong. So do just commit this to memory. It's easy marks. And on top of the word equation, so this is your word equation here, you're expected to also know the chemical equation, so using these chemical symbols. So first of all, this just means you've got to understand what each of the symbols means. So you've probably come across these in other aspects of biology and also chemistry. So CO2 is carbon dioxide, H2O is water, C6H12O6 is glucose, and 6O2 is oxygen. And I think you really need to learn the word glucose instead of sugar here. So just ignore that. And you might think that this is a bit of a mouthful, but actually just think about it. It has quite a nice ring to it. C6H12O6. And if you just write this equation over and over again, you'll commit it to memory in no time. Oh, and the numbers in front of the symbols just balance the equation out, because remember there have to be an equal number of, for example, oxygen molecules on the right-hand side of the equation as to the left. So just commit this equation to memory and notice how it means the same thing as the word equation. So this is your word equation down here, and this is your chemical equation up here. Right, so let's have a look at the energy transfer in photosynthesis. So photosynthesis takes place in chloroplasts, which are these small organelles in plant cells. And chloroplasts contain chlorophyll, which is your green pigment, which is what gives your plants their lovely green colour. And it's this chlorophyll that absorbs light energy. And because the plant cells uptake energy,
we refer to photosynthesis as an endothermic reaction because it's taking in energy. It's not giving out energy, it's taking in energy. And so that's everything covered for today. These are our tutorial specification points. Perhaps go through each of these and make little notes from the slides about each of these individual subtopics. And that's all we're going to cover for today, and I'll see you for the next session.
Thanks for watching this free video from StudyMind. If you liked this video, make sure to subscribe to catch our newest videos by clicking below, and leave a comment on a topic you'd like a video on. Click here to watch more videos in our series for GCSE Biology, or visit our website studymind.co.uk for free past paper compilations by topic and specification.